Hey, before we get started, I just wanted to briefly mention about our blog merrysprout.com where we have more robotic content. Today, we'll see how to build the LED light panel. There are a bunch of tutorials out there on how to build it. This is just my take on it. I wanted the panel to be light and flexible. I had some thin aluminum sheet lying around from my previous projects, so I reused it for this project. The first step is to clean it with isopropyl alcohol so that it is clean of any dirt and debris. Then I put some electrical tape on the corners so that the sharp corners don't cut my fingers. I cut the LED strip to small pieces, matching the size of the aluminum panel. I keep doing this until I cover the whole panel. Next, I need to wire them. I'm using 12-volt LED strips. However, I have an old laptop power supply lying around which is 19 volts. So I'm going to connect each of the two strips in series so that I can power them using my laptop power supply. I'll connect such that rows 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 are in series, and then the rows 1 and 3 and 5 and 7 are all in parallel. I'm pre-soldering the wire so that it's easier to solder to the LED panel later. Next, I'll add solder to the pads on the LED strip. Here I'm connecting the positive terminals of the alternate rows to create the parallel circuit. Next, I'll pre-solder the wire for the negative terminal. Next, I'm connecting the negative terminal of the alternate rows to complete our parallel circuit. Next, I have to complete the series connection between the consecutive rows. For this, I connect the positive from the first row to the negative in the second row. I continue that for each pair of rows. Some of the wires I had were really old, so I had a hard time getting solder on them. So I had to use the lot of paste and then pre-solder them and then use it on the pads. Next, I connected the positive and negative from the parallel circuits to a barrel connector so that I can connect to my laptop charger directly. Next, I wanted an easy way to mount this light panel on a camera tripod. For this, I mounted a 1/4 camera nut to a block of wood. I attached the block of wood to the aluminum panel using two 1/2-inch screws. The LED strip I used here are used as grow lights. It has red and blue LEDs on them. So here you can see an output from that light panel. I'm powering it using my old laptop charger. I did this as an experiment. Since it came out really well, I used the same technique to build a light panel using white LEDs, which is what I'm using as my primary light source in my videos. Anyway, thanks for watching, friends.